let us learn about Coviself, a home testing kit for coronavirus. Coviself is developed by mylab Discovery Solutions Private Limited, which is a Pune-based company. Mylab is also the company which has given India the first RT-PCR test kit last year. The ICMR has granted permission for using Coviself as a home testing kit for COVID-19. Coviself is expected to hit the market within a few weeks. The plus point of Coviself are any people can take up the test, whether he is symptomatic, asymptomatic, or who came in contact with other symptomatic patients. You can take the COVID test as per your wish, as per your time, and as per your location. You don't have to go and make a line to take a test and wait for 72 hours approx for the results. With Coviself, you can get the results within 15 to 20 minutes of the test. Another plus point of the Coviself is that you can take the test by yourself. Also, it is quite easy for use. Through Coviself mylab app, you can submit your results if it is positive to the ICMR directly for traceability. The Coviself test kit comes with a pre-filled extraction tube, an instruction for use, a nasal swab, a test card, and a waste disposal bag. The test is done by collecting the swab from the nose. Things to follow: always wash your hands before doing the test. Before you start the testing procedure, you need to download the Coviself app and fill out the credentials as per ICMR guidelines. After filling out the credentials, you need to scan the barcode of the kit. The swab should be collected properly, otherwise the results may be incorrect. Once you finish the testing procedure, you need to take the test device and click the picture. The app will analyze the picture and display your COVID test results. Put all the contents of the kit inside the waste disposal bag, and this can be thrown in the household waste. Things to remember: while doing the test, remember not to touch the swab head. Remember, the test cannot provide you the level of infection you have. Positive result: if a line is detected in the T marked area of the kit, then the test result of the sample is positive. Negative result: if there is no mark in the T marked area, then the result is negative. Invalid results: Remember, if there is no mark in the control line C, then the entire process will be invalid. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.